those of you who are new here and don't know, I'm a New York-based flight attendant, and I just received my first Flygirl box. I'm super excited to do an unboxing video, talk a little bit more about the products that are in here, and I just got back from my 3-day trip. I vlogged that 3-day trip as well, so make sure you hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and let's get started. Okay, so first I just want to talk about how awesome this packaging is. I'm all for packaging. Sorry if it sounds echoey. I have like a new setup. I'm in the living room. I just bought a ring light, and I'm used to filming with my camera like right here, and my camera is so far that I can barely see myself in the viewfinder. But yeah, this is the packaging. Super cute. It's like a little... So what the Flygirl box is, it's a monthly subscription. Well, there's different options. You can get it monthly, you can get it for 3 months, 6 months, a year, or you can also gift it. And I think this will be a pretty nice gift for a flight attendant or someone who loves to travel a lot. But yeah, you just pretty much, it's a subscription, and you get about 4 to 6 products in each box. So let's go ahead and open it up. I love how it says crew on it. Oh, it's so cute. All right. I don't know where to put this. Okay. I feel so awkward. This is like my first unboxing video, but I'm definitely gonna read through this later. Better to see something once than to hear about it 1,000 times. That is the truth. Okay, I won't look because it has the products. This is so cute. I'm all for cute packaging. You can tell a lot of love went into this box. All right, and this says, "Hi Nina, thank you so much for sharing about Flygirl box with your followers. I'm looking forward to seeing your unboxing video on YouTube. Excited to be working with you. Please let me know if you have any questions. Fly safe, Brittany." That was so sweet. All right, let's open this. All right, so the first thing I see, you guys, I'm always here for the food. And so the first thing is this classic hummus and pita chips dip-in. I really want to open it right now. Okay. So I did read on the website, one of the items that you get is like for your purse, one is for traveling, one item may be like a food item. So it just varies on what you'll get. I think we used to have something like this on the plane. So let me just try this real quick. I'm so hungry. I'm gonna go ahead and try this. This is about to turn into a mukbang. That is so good. And this is perfect for like if you're traveling a lot or you just need like a quick little snack. It's definitely good. The next product that I see in here is this jewelry organizer bag. This is so cute. I love the color. This is so cute. I am the queen of losing things, and I love rings and I love earrings, but I always lose them because I just take them off. I put them by the nightstand, like in the hotel or something, and in the morning I just leave. So I think this is so cute to organize all your jewelry when you're traveling, you have a layover, or if you're just traveling for fun and you're just that girl who loves her bling, her rings, her earrings, her necklaces. This is such a cute gift to put all your jewelry in. There's 1, 2, 3 little compartments here. Then you have this big bag here. It's really small and compact, but it's also spacious and it fits a lot of things. And I think, wow, this is so cute. So I think this comes off and you can like put rings in here. So I actually just received this ring in the mail yesterday, and you can just do this. I really hope you guys can see this. So yeah, you can just attach all your little rings here instead of losing them like I do. This is so cute. All right, the next item is Busy Beauty Showerless Shampoo. No water needed. This sounds like dry shampoo. I wonder if it's like dry shampoo. And I think, oh, there's a conditioner as well. This is so cute, and this is definitely a travel essential. I know there's a lot of flight attendants who commute and they'll have to like sleep at the airport last minute. I definitely did not plan on sleeping at the airport once, and I had to sleep in ops. It was horrible, but I definitely would have loved this. It's a showerless conditioner and shampoo, no water needed. I'm actually gonna try it right now as well. My hair is a little oily. I need to wash it today, but let's see. The directions say eliminate sweat, oil, and odor instantly with Busy Beauty Showerless Shampoo and Conditioner. Simply spray and massage into roots for fresh and clean hair any time of the day. Perfect to use between washes to add texture and body. So let's see. Hope you guys can see this. And voila, I definitely feel the difference. It's not as oily and greasy as it was. But yeah, this is an essential that I think every flight attendant should have. Snack break. Okay, so the third item, we're on 3, right? 1, 2, yeah. The third item I am completely in love with. It's a little ring. Like I said before, I really love rings. I had more rings, but I lost them. So this is a little airplane ring. This is so cute. Okay. I'm definitely gonna wear it, and it matches my other ring. And I believe this ring is adjustable as well. There's like a little opening on the back. So if you have, if your fingers are a little bit bigger or smaller, you can definitely adjust it to your size. So last but not least, what's the final product in the box is this stasher bag. I am so excited for this. I've always wanted one. It's pretty much just a healthier, it says right here, the healthier alternative to plastic because it's a pure platinum silicone. Yeah, you can put a whole bunch of different things in here, any snacks, any apples, fruit, nuts, whatever you want in here. But yeah, I want to thank Brittany for sending me this box. I definitely would say every item in this box is a flight attendant must-have, a flight attendant essentials, from the shampoo and conditioner that's waterproof, the jewelry organizer, even the snacks. I ate all of it. It was pretty good. And if you guys would like to purchase your own box, either you know, monthly subscription, if you want to give someone one of these boxes, I'm going to link all the information in the description box, and make sure you use the code NINAVITA to get 10% off of your first purchase. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys very, very soon with another video.